We now return to Crypto Hospital.
Dr. Technicals, your next patient's in room 4. Thank you, nurse. Yes, and you know I'm a nurse because I have a different color shirt and hair on my head, which is obviously hair. And sorry about being late today. I'm a single mom who's now married to a cop, so, you know, that's being a nurse. All right, let's see who we got here. Mr. GPU, holy Christ, oh, whoa. Oh, call the coroner. It's, yeah, did anyone call this? Nurse, this patient is dead. Did someone call time of death? Doctor, actually the family belongs to this cult, or not a cult, but it's like a community, they call themselves or something like that, and they just refuse to acknowledge his death, so they're requesting that you do something to bring him back to life. They don't recognize him as dead. He's clearly dead. What happened to him? Well, according to the chart, he was doing just fine, but then he got addicted on this one particular coin, this one large coin, and so everyone was on that, and no one bothered making any fundamental changes to the actual underlying infrastructure or you know, concept or the technology or anything, and no one kind of saw ahead, even though it was years in the planning. And so when finally the coin went away, he really had nothing left, and he's atrophying and withering into a shell, a soulless husk of a thing. Okay, so I'm just supposed to kind of look at this corpse and, all right, well, let's see what we got here. Okay, there's like the faintest little heartbeat, or it could be someone's car has a good level of bass out in the parking lot. I can't tell the difference. There's virtually nothing here. I mean, if he's not dead, then he's in a state where we should do a merciful thing. I know, doctor, but they won't accept that as an answer, and if you try to tell them the truth, then they'll just refuse to believe it and flame you over and over and over again. I guess I am a doctor at Crypto Hospital. I'll do everything I can for this patient. 10 cc's of shitcoin, stat. Oh, here you go. Thank you. I took an oath to do everything I can to make sure GPU mining survives. Hey, he's coming around. Oh, wait, no, going right back. I need more shitcoin. All right, let's do this syringe flicky thing again. Here you go, buddy. Hey, I think he's coming back. Oh, dead again. All right, well, maybe we just do this over and over and over again until he just kind of like keeps coming in and out of this state of death and really just kind of never acknowledging the fact that he really needs like a more fundamental sort of cure instead of just kind of stringing him along and doing this over and over again, and maybe tell the family or the cult or the community or whatever that, you know, maybe it needs a more fundamental thing and that it's time to sort of call it instead of, I don't know, it's fucking dead. He's fucking dead, man. It's okay, doctor. You've done everything you can. You know, this is the worst part of being a doctor at Crypto Hospital. Is telling the family the bad news. Because I know if I do, they'll downvote me and stop watching my content, and I'll make less money. I'll get less sponsorships. I'll lose subscribers. Although I can always just buy them, you know, seems to be a permitted thing now. All right, bring the community in so I can tell them. Be sure to tell them exactly what they want to hear. Otherwise, you know the consequences. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm Dr. Technicals. Yeah, yeah, he's fucking dead.